Hi, this is Topher with WebDevStudios. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use block patterns in the WordPress editor to quickly build a landing page just like this one. We're going to start by creating a new page, and we'll just call it landing page. And then a block pattern is simply a collection of blocks. For example, if you click this blue plus and go to patterns, you can choose something like this and immediately have a collection of blocks just like that. And you can edit them any way you want and save the page, and you'll have that exactly the way you wanted it. But we're going to remove this one and build that landing page. I'm going to use the design library, which is another collection of block patterns. And we're going to go down to this one. So now we have a full width image and 3 squares with text inside and some text inside the image. The first thing I'm going to do is change that image. And you'll note there's a white dot on the image. If you drag it around, it allows you to position that image in a different place in your row. Then you can click on this text to edit it. And I'm not going to make you watch me type in all of this text. There, now we have our banner. I'm going to click publish real quick, and we'll take a look at what it looks like on the front end. So there's our banner, but we don't want the page title and probably don't want the header either. So we'll go back to our page editor and click this icon on the top right. I'm going to disable the page title, enable transparent header, and then we're going to get rid of the vertical padding at the top and bottom of the page. There, now we still have our header. You can see it up here. The text is dark. You could either make it light so you can see it and have a header, or we can simply disable it. I'm going to disable it for now. So we'll go to the bottom here and disable header. And there, now you can see it's gone. Now, in our original design, we had blue boxes with white text. So I'm going to make the boxes blue. And you can see how quickly that happens with WordPress color patterns. There, now they're blue. And now we make our text all white. And then we put in the text we want to have. There. And I'll update the other two off camera. And there you have it. Aside from the time it took to type in the text, it only took a couple of minutes to make those few blocks. Now let's take a look at the next block. In our design, we have an image on the left and a header and a paragraph and a call to action on the right. So down here, I'm going to click Design Library again, and we'll choose this one. I'll change the image. And put in our text. Update our button. And we'll update the page and take a look again. And there we are. Now, the last thing we need is a footer. Now, this is a unique kind of block pattern. It's called a reusable block. Normally, with a block pattern, it's just a copy of the original, and you change it, and it just stays there by itself. With a reusable block, every time you change any one of them, it changes all of them the same way, which makes it great for something like a footer, because if you change your phone number, you want it to change everywhere on the site. So this one is a reusable block, and I'll show you how we edit. We'll type in REU, and there's our RV footer right there. Now it's not showing it go full width because of the type of template we're using here. But if I hit update and reload this page, you'll see that it does go full width. And there we have a simple landing page. You saw how many different block patterns there were. You could make any number of different ones, making the page taller with a gallery or some video or some testimonials or anything you like. Block patterns can save you a great deal of time.